Well, hi again. Guess who's back? Superclown coming at you from the trees. I'm about to pop out and take it through a nice breezy last run of the day. Got on just almost at the end. There's not going to be another one, so we'll burn this one out. Ready? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know where you're hailing from. And look at that view. I said we're gonna take it easy this run. A little bit of exploring. Let's come up here. Just see what we can see. That's right. I got my wig off. I'm back to the jester hat. My bullgod hat, I call this actually. Seems apropos for today. It's like my mama disowned me again. How many times can one mama disown a girl for shit she don't understand? I don't know. One more time, apparently. I got good first world problems, though. How about you? How about you? Look at that sunshine. Got some other pranksters out here burning it out, riding it out for the day. End of day. Let's come up in here in these trees. Ooh. Yeah, man, it's pretty in here, isn't it? This time of day especially. It's always pretty in here, but it is especially pretty right now, this time of day. I lost my flip edge for no good reason. I think my boot's a little loose. So, we'll come out of here. Just mashing up those courses. It's all right, though. Look at that blue. Oh, my goodness. That is some blue, isn't it? A little hazy over there, but still pretty nice. Still pretty nice. Blackfish lightning. She's pretty nice. Well, let's go a little this way. A little like this, and a little like that. Little bit of this, and a little bit of that. Oh, look at her go. She done messed up. It's all right. Can she get out of it? She can, no problem. 'Cause I'm Superclown. I'm silly, I know. I like being silly. I do it on purpose. Go figure. Blackfish, she could go uphill. Look at that. Blue sky, hazy sky, blue sky in my eye. Oh, the moon. Do you see it? See her? The moon up there. And I'm feeling good. It's too bad well, it's not too bad. It's the end of the day. It's been a great day. I got here a little late, but managed to just enjoy the heck out of the whole thing. I was one of the last ones up on this lift, so it's not going to be going no more. Today, she stopped for the day. Oh, just cold enough to make my nose run. And I got a dinner date with my friend who I'm taking out this time, 'cause he's been taking me out for a long while. There's some sunshine for ya. Whew, man, it's just a beautiful, beautiful day. It's a beautiful, beautiful life. Hope you remember to get some on you. Look, there's a dog in that pack. And, yeah, I hope you remember to stay fit and free and also curious and courageous. There's a lot of dogma out there. A lot of people thinking they know why they should hate people. That's no good for anybody, so don't do it. Don't be a hater. Be a peacemaker. There's some sunshine peeking through for you. It's pretty goody-goody. Blackfish Lightning, she's a good snowboard. I like her. Oh, it's a icy. She's a little bit of a less of a good ice board, but she's all right. Look, it's Everyday Ray. I know that guy. I don't really know him. Not know him, but you know, I've seen him before. He's up here almost every day. That's why they call him Everyday Ray. Oh, we got traffic around the entry. I'll be seeing you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.